Hello, I'm Richard with Simplified Manufacturing, and we're at ISE in Barcelona. And what we're showing here is a rack device for our units, such as extenders, splitters, audio extractors, etc. The big pain about accessories is racking them. How do you make them look pretty? How do you make the rack look clean? So we've solved that problem with this unit, the CXRU-1. The CXRU-1 is a universal supply. It has 4 5 volts, 4 12 volts, and 4 24 volts, so you can use any technology that we have, again using 5 volt, 12 volt, and 24 volt, without all the wall warts and the power supplies and all the plugs. Everything's very clean, very simple in a single rack unit. Also, it comes with the attachable or detachable wire management, because if you stack 2 of these, you may only want one of these. Also, it uses the same footprint as the rack gears, so if you want to move this rack to the back of the rack or front of the rack, etc., you have ultimate flexibility. So really neat, relatively inexpensive, clean looking, and if you want more information, reach out to us at www.simplifiedmfg.com. Thanks.